In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get keys on Airbnb. The process is usually very simple, but it's important to follow the host's check-in instructions carefully so your arrival goes smoothly. Before anything else, make sure you've already booked your Airbnb stay and that your reservation has been confirmed. You won't be able to access the full check-in details until the booking is active, so this is the first thing to verify. Once your reservation is confirmed, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website and head to your reservation details. This is where you'll find the most important information for your arrival, including the host's check-in instructions. Take a moment to read these carefully from beginning to end. Don't just skim them because the host will usually explain exactly how you're supposed to get access to the property. There are a few common ways hosts provide keys or entry access. In some cases, you'll meet the host in person and they'll hand over the keys directly. In other cases, the host may give you a lockbox code so you can open a box and collect the keys yourself. Some properties use a smart lock or keypad, which means you'll enter a code instead of using a physical key. And sometimes, the keys are picked up from a separate designated location. The method depends entirely on the property, so your host's instructions are the final word. It's also very important to arrive during the check-in time specified by the host. Some access methods only work within certain hours, especially if someone needs to meet you in person. If you know you're going to be late and your check-in involves meeting the host, contact them through Airbnb as soon as possible. Keeping all communication on the Airbnb platform is helpful because it keeps everything clear and easy to reference. Once you receive the keys or access code, go ahead and enter the property. After you get inside, take a quick look around and make sure everything matches what you were expecting. This is a good time to confirm that you've entered the correct place and that access worked properly. During your stay, keep the keys in a safe place if you were given physical keys. If you were given an access code, make sure you use it responsibly and don't share it unnecessarily. When it's time to check out, follow the host's instructions for returning the keys or securing the property before you leave. That's how to get keys on Airbnb. If you follow the reservation details and check-in instructions carefully, the process is usually fast, easy, and stress-free.